Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, in this video, I am going to discuss one of the very exciting topic, my first week at Infosys. So friends, once you get the offer letter from Infosys, then once you join, okay, the company, so the very first week will be your induction program will be there. Now, what all happens in the induction program? When you will be getting the laptop, so each and every detail, definitely we will know in this video, and this video is completely based on one of the employees first week experience. Okay, so once you get the offer letter, then the first thing which we have to do is you will be uploading all your document in the launch pad. Okay, so you'll be getting the launch pad details and all, and after that you will have to join on the given joining date, and for the first 1 week you will be having the induction program. Now, so in this 1 week, what all happens? So definitely that we will understand from one of the Infosys employees email. So basically I have got all these details from one of the Infosys employee, those who joined on 8th of January, 17th of January 2022. Now, so let us see what she has written here. So I got my offer letter on 8th of January 2022. Okay, and definitely she has given her exam on 26th of December 2021. Okay, so I got my offer letter on 8th of January 2022. The date of joining was 17th of January 2022. Being from tier 3 college, it was a great achievement for me and was very excited for the same. We were told to join the onboarding process at 9 a.m. So friends, basically this is first day. Okay, so on the first day what happens? So we were told to join the onboarding process at morning 9 a.m. itself, and Infosys will give you laptop only after the training period is over. Okay, so you won't be getting before you join. Okay, now, so we were told to join the onboarding process at 9 a.m. and friend, that is the reason in your Infosys interview many times interviewer will ask, do you have a laptop or not? So we were told to join the onboarding process at 9 a.m. On the first day there were 2 to 3 sessions, and all were more of introduction of all the sectors, like so whichever sectors Infosys works in, so either it is IT or consulting services, so all the sectors, so definitely the session were there on that. They gave a brief about company, so like what exactly Infosys does, how many employees are there, right? The achievement and the video clip of their campus. So you also know, so Infosys, the headquarter is in Bangalore, and the best campus of Infosys is in Mysore. So because now COVID is there, otherwise everybody would have gone to Mysore for the training. So right now the virtual training is happening, so in that they will show you only a video clip of their campus. So the very first day, so you just have to definitely interact with the Infosian who has already in the team, and they will give you the introduction of all the sectors, and they will tell you about the company. Now, on second day of the induction program, we had the session from the bank people. Okay, so now here comes a very interesting things. So for your salary, definitely you need to open an account, and that account should be linked with Infosys, and that's how your salary will get credited. We were told to have our own choice of bank for the salary account. So generally Axis Bank and ICICI Bank will be I mean every company will have tie up with some of the banks, so Axis or ICICI, so you'll have to open a bank account with this particular, even though if you have an account previously, but if you do not have Axis or ICICI, then you need to open an account with this kind of banks. The session from the bank people includes the benefit of having the particular card. So they will tell you, so with this debit card you will be getting this benefit, you will be getting 5% discount on petrol diesel, if you will be getting 10% discount on your dinner, all those things, right? So Valentine week is there, so you will be getting Valentine discount on this card. So all this card has now come. We had to finalize one of the bank, and the account was opened. Okay, so they will immediately, because all the details will be definitely there with the Infosys. And then there were training conducted on Java as well. Okay, so there were training conducted on Java. So this happened on the second day. So your first week will be it kind of like you are knowing Infosys, Infosys is knowing you, something like that. On the third day, we had a session planned for all IT related stuffs. So friends, basically Infosys will tell you about all their tools. Okay, so on third day we had a session planned for all IT related stuffs, like what are the tools and technology they are using. So where all you will be able to access if you want some materials and all those things. Okay, so like if you have any kind of software hardware issue, then how to get it resolved. So IT team will be there. So definitely, so each and everything, like how you have to raise the ticket, how your hardware issues or how your software issues will be solved, who will be able to help you. The hardware and the software issue will include laptop, desktop, and the infrastructure issues. And then the very same day, there was also training conducted on OOPS concept. Okay, so these were the, again, this happened basically on the third day. So each day, definitely you will be, see, it's not only with the Infosys, so any MNCs. So this will be the right. So see, your bank account will open. Okay, now there'll be introduction about the company. See, it's not, if you'll join TCS also same thing will happen. If you'll join Capgemini also same thing will happen. Okay, so you see, there are not doing anything great here. Okay, so second day bank people, and then third day all their infrastructure, right? So issues, if you're getting their whom to contact, how your problems will get solved, and then also training conducted on the OOPS concept. Now the fourth day, we had a session planned for categorization of training. Okay, now so friends, there will be two kind of training will be there. One will be generic training and one will be stream training. Okay, now friends, I wanted to also tell you, so there will be many people will be there. Okay, so who will be telling, sir, we did not have this training, we did not have that training. So see, because of this virtual options, okay, so because of this virtual I mean COVID, so many things are happening virtually. And so what is happening is, for many people, for many candidates, there are different, for many of them there was no generic training, for some of them generic training and stream training. So all those things will be keep happening. So this is the format what I am telling is, so it might be different for someone. Okay, now so on fourth day, we had a session planned for categorization of training, generic training and stream training. So generic training means the normal training which will be given to everyone, and then stream training means you will be getting the stream related training. Okay, and then again, see, in generic training, it will involve like how to behave with seniors, email writing, teamwork, training schedule, how to talk to your senior, how to talk to your juniors. So all these things, basically behavioral skills, will be covered in the generic training. Okay, and then the stream related training like Java, Python, or whatever, so that will be covered in the stream related training. And then they will also tell they also told us basically like passing marks percentage in each of the exam. So basically, every company will be taking the examination. So what is the passing marks to clear the exam? So they will tell you in the beginning, so that you put effort and then you clear each and every exam. And then that day, training conducted on SQL. So fourth day, training conducted on SQL. Third day, it was OOPS concept. Second day, it was Java. Okay, now so let us see what will happen on the fifth day. So on fifth day, we will come to know the streams we are put in. Okay, so they will on the fifth day, they will declare. Okay, so this will happen randomly. Okay, so this will happen randomly, that people will be put in the assigned the particular streams. Okay, you will come to know about the applications and you will be provided with the access. So whatever, so generally as far as I know, so Infosys provides Lex platform. So it is like Udemy and all, where you will be able to access the the courses. Okay, so on fifth day, we will come to know about the streams we are put in. You will come to know about the applications and you will be provided with all the access. You will be put in the batch and you will be also assigned with your batch honors. Okay, so friends, after generic training, your stream training will be there. Generic training might be for 10 days, 15 days, or in many cases I have heard that generic training did not happen, so they were directly put in the stream training. So maybe after 2 to 3 months of your training, Infosys will send you a kind of goodies, where laptop will be there, mouse will be there, and some kind of stuffs Infosys will send you, and then you will start working on that. Okay, so friends, this is a very brief video on which, right, so 5 days what will happen. So definitely, if people who has already joined, they can share their input in the comment section. And also, if you want me to make a in detail video, then please let me know. I can also make the in detail videos, because definitely this informations people are helping, and in turn you you are getting help from this. So thank you, friends. And if you like this video, then definitely share with your friends. And I know many of you are not sharing this channel, so please do share, do click on the bell icon and be in touch. We are uploading a lot of videos, and definitely I know it is going to help each and everyone. Thank you, take care, and all the best. So all the candidates who are going to join Infosys, thank you.